Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach you about how Warren Buffett invested. First of all, those are new. My name is Manush Ranavaka and I hold a special degree in finance at University of Sri Jayawardenepura, and I was an investor for like 12-13 years. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, is known for his value investing approach. He has expressed some skepticism toward cryptocurrencies, but he was a traditional investor. So he avoid those technology kind of things. Warren Buffett main focus was on value investment. Warren Buffett is a proponent of value investment, which involves seeking undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. He looks for businesses that have durable competitive advantage. As an example, Coca-Cola. And a strong management team and a track record of generating consistent profits. My second point is he had a long-term perspective on investment, not like you. He had a long-term vision on investments. Buffett was known for his long-term investment horizons. He often takes a buy and hold approach, holding investment for many years, if not decades. He believes in power of compounding returns and the potential business to grow and create value over the long run. So if you are new, remember to subscribe our channel so you can learn quality content on investment education. So what is the compounding interest? How to calculate that? So if you want to know these things very detailed, you can join our stock market classes. We are given special discounts also for this week only. You can check our website also, cinemaschool.com, for further information on our classes. Third point is focus on quality and moats. Buffett looks for business with sustainable competitive advantage, often referred to as a moat. This could be in form of strong brand, a unique product or service, strong brand like cinema, economics of scale, or other factors that make it difficult to competitors to replicate or surpass the company position in the market. So, will Warren Buffett will be investing in cinema? Yes, of course. It has a great brand presence. So 33,000 people follows us in YouTube, and soon it will become 100,000, and so it will go to millions. Fourth point, emphasis on cash flow. And emphasis on cash flow and earnings. So you normally emphasize on I have write down these things on a piece of paper, so it's easy to present you. His main focus was on cash flow, not on like you check P ratios, blah blah blah, some assets and so, but his main focus was cash flow. So he know how to get the cash flow and how to discount it and get the correct company value. If you want to know these things more detail, how to value a company, so we in detail teach these things in our stock market classes. You can get the information on cinemaschool.com. And so I told you 3 points, okay. And next thing, he's mainly focused on intrinsic value. So I told you earlier, Buffett was he has some fear on investing on cryptocurrency and so. The main argument is cryptocurrencies do not have intrinsic value, but there are some new points that maybe Warren Buffett didn't focus on. Maybe some investors like Chamath Palihapitiya, they have become very successful in cryptocurrency investments also. So in traditional investment philosophy, you have to remember intrinsic value is the main thing. Buffett has expressed concern about lack of intrinsic value in cryptocurrencies, and he believes that traditional investment such as stocks or business have underlying assets and cash flows that determine their value. However, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin do not have such underlying assets or cash flows. That's the main reason Warren Buffett do not invest in Bitcoin. But there are some other things that we think investing in cryptocurrency is important. So if you want to know about those things, you can join our classes, and we have like 1,000+ videos uploaded to this channel. You can check those things also. So I told you 4 points. Now 5th point, volatility and speculation. Buffett also highlighted the extreme volatility and speculative nature of cryptocurrencies. He has cautioned investors against investing in assets that are subject to rapid and unpredictable price changes, as they can be driven by market speculation rather than fundamental value. Then I think these points you can restudy, recheck this video, and further you can cross-check with the Google, and so you can do many studies. But do not forget, invest early. It's most important thing. Do not delay learning it and actually creating a CDS account and invest with a broker. Do not forget that. So that will create huge impact when you are going to later in your life. Your investment will be giving big returns to you, so you can quit your 8-5 job and you can live a free, happy life, become financially free. So thanks for watching until end. Remember to subscribe our channel and press the bell notifications, and check our website for further updates, serimaschool.com. And thank you for watching again. Good luck.